Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a huge foil haul. I'm so excited for this. So I picked up these on Amazon and it came in a pack of 5, I believe. And these, yeah, it was 5. And they end up being, I think they were 15, no, $12, hang on, let me find out. So it was $12.59. I'll link this below to this exact one, but I'm super happy with these because it is 50 different foils. So let's do some math. We're just gonna round up to 1260. 1260 divided by 50 ends up being 25 cents per foil. And I know most people order from AliExpress and they can range, I think, like 70 cents for these guys, like all of them, to like $1.50. But I don't feel like this was upsold a ton. So I'm really happy about that. Because right now ordering from AliExpress is not very feasible, but you can see I got a bunch of these different patterns. I got this one specifically. I don't know, there we go. You can see it's kind of like this oil slick because Isabel May Nails, I think that's what her Instagram is. She was published in a magazine or on a website, and she had this and I wanted to recreate them. They were kind of like oyster shell nails, and that it looks perfect for it. So I'm really excited about that. Next one I have is some fun colors. So I love like solid colors that have like dimension. So like you look at this and you see it's pink, but then it has like that holographic. And if you notice, I didn't have a plain gold for a really long time. It was, I think, stars, and then I love it, but I wanted to add a few different ones in there. And I also like that this one specifically is like clear. So like you're just adding, since it's rolled up, there we go. And I think that's still doubled, but you're just adding like that foiled texture. You're not adding any color, you're not adding anything. And I loved that about this. And then that zebra, I mean, come on. I'm so excited to do these. I think how she did it was like something similar to like these two, the oil slick and then the clear one. So I'm gonna try. They may not turn out good. If they do, you'll see a tutorial on it. All right. Yes, more rainbow, more fun, the better. And I absolutely loved these guys. I know they're like the same, but what I liked about these is that maybe in the winter time, these could be like a background for a scene. Like you do this and then you kind of add like maybe white stamping on top of it. I just think it'd be so pretty. And then of course, rainbow foil, who can't go wrong? And this is a rainbow as well with, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, like it has other colors down in there. There we go, you can kind of see, it gets in there. It's really pretty. And then of course, just some of the extra rainbows. So this is like my rainbow one. I'm really excited. Hopefully I don't need foil for a while because I still have a whole bunch of other foil, but we'll see. And then this one I thought was also really great because again, I don't know which one she used for her nails, but I thought maybe like something in here would be perfect, like that one maybe. But I really liked these guys too, because these are a little bit more earthy kind of tones and foil and glitter and just all that fun stuff. So I'm here for it. I'm trying to show you, like, it's holographic, like, yes. And I ordered a couple more of these cases, so it took me a second to find them, but I like my foils stored in here. I know people put them in binders, and I think binders would be great, but I like this display. And since I have quite a few of these, I ordered a couple of extras so I can, and I'll link them because I actually got them from Amazon as well, because it took me a second to find these because these are very specific containers, and literally all the foils I order come in this exact container. So I needed this exact container, but I'll link that below as well. And then this may be my favorite one that I got. And okay, not gonna take me a second to put back, okay? Ironically, this is one of my favorite ones. So, I guess we'll show you. I'll show you how much you get, okay? We ready? Let me pull one from AliExpress. Because then I'll show you that one. I'll zoom out. So this is one I got from AliExpress. Like exactly the same type of foil. And this is the one I got in my Amazon package. All right, do we see it? Are we all in frame? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half the length of the AliExpress one. However, the AliExpress one is about 1.5 size. See if that will zoom in. It's a little bit off center, but it's 1.5 sizes bigger. Because, well, this has actually that silver line, so it's just slightly 1.5 to 1.25 bigger. So you get a lot more because unless you're doing super long nails, like, you know, super long nails, this will be perfectly fine to get exactly the kind you want. Which, you know what? This might be calling my name. I'm not gonna lie. This one, although, okay. So we see how beautiful this one is. Well, we'll zoom you in back. Look at that. And it's like a peach, but so much holographic. So this was my favorite one, back to the haul. Forgot shiny object syndrome. I loved the blue, but this one for fall time, guys. For fall. Do we need a moment? I'm so obsessed with these. I'm here for it. And then this one is super pretty too. Like, and then this one, yeah, I loved all of these. So I am super happy with this. And you saw the length, which I did not realize. I have pulled some of them out, but like this specific one is so long. And people always ask how you re-roll them. So I grab a pen, which I probably don't have one here. I have a marker. That'll be fine. So what I do is I grab it here and then just take my thumb and roll it. So let me zoom out some. So take my thumb. So I'm kind of double rolling here. And then once I get enough on there, I can bring it up and just roll it. Kind of just let the paper go off and then we roll in. Yeah, it keeps going and going. And then I just take it off and then it'll expand back in there. But I'm actually about to use that one, I think. So, yeah, I'm obsessed. Can you tell? I'm obsessed. So, that is 5 of these bad boys. I love them so much. I think I could get rid of those ones and like have these, but I'm telling you, this clear one with just the over effect. So I think I'm going to purchase a couple more. I think from AliExpress though, so it'll be probably this length. So I can go ahead and get just some clean overlays. So yeah. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I know I probably went into more detail than I needed to, but thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.